G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Pardon the sore throat sound. This is July 4th, 2023. Happy July 4th for those that celebrate. This is a Euro-British pound currency update. We've got a bearish momentum on our weekly, but we've got a bullish momentum on our daily. And we also hit our divergence target on the daily. And we're now heading towards our bearish divergence target on our hourly time frame. So looking at this in detail, on a triple moving average of the price chart and the moving averages of the CCI and the oscillator, we're all showing a bearish signal. So predominantly bearish trades should be taken when the daily also shows bearish. However, on the daily, you'll notice those same indicators aren't fully aligned, and our oscillator is showing a bullish momentum, hence the bullish indicator down here. Now on the daily, we did have a bullish divergence on the CCI versus the bearish divergence on the price chart, and we did have a target in there which was between that Fibonacci range, which was the 38% at 8655, and it hit the target there with a wick on that candle a few days ago. So that closed out, that hit our target level. That was a successful trade, but now the price is retraced back slightly back towards this channel on the daily. So that was a daily trend. And if I zoom into the hourly, you'll see there the same bullish divergence on the hourly as well. And that they don't always align with the hourly and the daily, but sometimes they do. In this case, they did. Usually they're independent in terms of divergence. Now we've got a separate divergence happening at the moment with this bearish divergence on the CCI versus a bullish on the price chart. It's broken below our channel here, and that would have been your entry point. Now the price is sort of stuck to that bottom channel trend line, and it hasn't hit the target, and the target was drawn between that high and that low Fibonacci range. So that is our target area. So we'll keep an eye on that in terms of where it's going in the coming hours and possibly days. Sometimes they do bounce up, but then eventually do collapse as well, usually. So as long as the CCI, you can see there, if I zoom in, this one here, as long as that CCI remains below this level here, that's our key area. If that trend line, I'll draw that trend line out to where we are today. If that trend line up down here breaks above this area, then it's going to invalidate the divergence, and that is what we look out for in terms of the failure. So it doesn't matter how high the price goes, it's a matter of watching the divergence stay below this entry level. So that's the divergence where we are at the moment. We're waiting for that to work out. So to understand how to work this and other trading strategies, subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also look at other trading strategies and do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.